The Technocamps Education Conference is a yearly event held by Technocamps in South Wales. In this conference, we will do bespoke sessions on some aspect of computer science that has been quite popular that year. We're not just focusing it toward computer science teachers in secondary, but also getting those digital skills into the curriculum according to the DCF in Wales. In our 2024 conference, we had two separate streams of secondary and primary teachers. For the primary teachers, topics of focus were algorithms and computational thinking without having to actually touch any piece of technology. The other focus was using microbits across the curriculum. In the secondary conference, topics of focus were focused on the transition from block programming into Python programming using a brand new tool called Pitch. The Technocamps Education Conference is the perfect opportunity for any teacher within Wales to come get together with other teachers who are in the same position as you, trying to think of new ways to include technology within their curriculums at school, network with other teachers, share ideas and resources of good practice that you may have encountered for both the benefit of the learners within your school and also your own benefit as a teacher to make your lives just a little bit easier.